In this video, we're going to take a look at the distributive property 3 ways. So we're asked to write an equivalent expression for 2 times the sum of 3x and 2y. So I want to take 2 or double this expression of 3x and 2y. So we are going to start by writing the 3x plus 2y, and I want 2 of them, so I'm going to write it again. And then I would add and combine like terms. So I have 6x plus 4y, and that's the equivalent expression. So now let's take a look at the area model. For the area model, I'm going to make this a multiplication problem 2 by the other expression of 3x and 2y. So we're going to start with a rectangle. One side of the rectangle would be 2. The other one will be 3x plus 2y. And then I'm multiplying inside of that. So 2 times 3x is 6x, and 2 times 2y is 4y. And again, you see the equivalent expression that we have down here. The last method is to use the algorithm. And to use the algorithm basically just means that we are going to just follow steps or procedures in order to get the equivalent expression. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 2 times 3x, and then we'll add it to 2 times 2y. So 2 times 3x is 6x, plus 2 times 2y is 4y. And again, you get the equivalent expression. So here we're going to take a look at one more example, and this one has a fraction as one of the terms. So we have 1/2 times the sum of 8x plus 10, and that means that we need to find half of 8x. So half of 8x is 4x plus, right, plus half of 10, and half of 10 is 5. So that is our new expression.